My sarees have never failed to amaze me how versatile sort of an outfit they are. Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So a saree is 5.5 to 6 yards of fabric that could be draped in multiple different ways to accentuate your beauty. Today I'm gonna give a little bit of a western touch to an Indian ethnic wear, that is the saree. I hope you all will enjoy today's video. I am gonna drape this saree in front of you all exactly like a gown or a sarong, to be more precise. Hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please do subscribe. Let's get started. You want to have a petticoat and a tank top or a crop top on. If you do dare to go backless, you can definitely skip the tank top as well. It's just you need to make sure that this fabric of the saree is quite thick. So you want to go ahead and start with a regular saree drape, that is draping one circle all around your body of the saree. Then rotating the saree all around you once again in a clockwise direction. You want to take the vertical edge of the saree, that is the pallu, and you want to make a triangle out of it, and you want to go ahead and pin it to the edge of the crop top that you're wearing at the moment, or I am wearing at the moment, to be more precise for you all. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, and because it's a crop top, it takes a little bit of time in pinning up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just roughly gather the entire pallu, and I'm just gonna place it over my shoulder for keeping it aside to make sure that it's just out of the way while I'm going ahead and pleating my entire saree. Then you want to see the actual length of the saree that is falling for the sake of the pleats, and here I can see that I can go ahead and make 2 pleats at a time. Now I'm going to give it a regular lehenga look, so I'm just going to go ahead and pleat it twice, and you just insert it inside my petticoat around my waist. Then go ahead once again and pleat it twice and insert it into my petticoat just before the navel. Then the next pleat is gonna go ahead and be pleated twice and be inserted where exactly the actual regular pleats are pleated, that is underneath my navel. And going ahead and doing the same, you want to be a little bit careful while doing so that all the pleats are open underneath the petticoat, so as to make sure that your waist doesn't look heavier than what it actually is. So just go ahead and take care of it. I'm sorry, my pallu is just creating a mess for me at the moment. Going ahead and pleating it twice once again and pleating it right underneath my waist. Now you can definitely go ahead for a more comfortable look and pleat it once again, and it would be like everything sticked all together, but I did wanted the pallu to be loose from the back, that's why I went ahead and left it like that only. Now here you can see me, I'm working with the pallu section. I am going to take the vertical edge, other edge of the pallu, and bring it from back towards my shoulder as I'm showing you at the moment, and I'm just trying to make sure that the border of the saree is visible from underneath as well. So I'm just going to make a triangle out of the pallu, and I'm going to bring the pallu from back towards my shoulder, and then I'm just going to loosen up the same safety pin that was applied onto my shoulder, and I'll be pinning both the edges of the saree with the help of the same safety pin, because you just don't want way too many safety pins to be showing up over there, don't you? So just go ahead and pin both the edges of the saree with the help of a safety pin, and then I'm just going to go ahead and see if anything is looking odd, and then I am just going to go ahead and handle that loop which is there underneath my my left shoulder, and that would even help me to go ahead and open up the border underneath as well. So I'm just going to roughly pleat those edges. I'm just going to double grip it, and I'm going to create 2 pleats out of it, and I'm just going to place it underneath my shoulder, and I'm going to pin it right there with the help of my crop top. So that would just go ahead and give it a more neater look, and you just want to make sure that the pallu, the border of the saree, both the borders of the sarees are quite visible, and then gonna go ahead and pin it onto my right boob as well, and that's the finished look, you guys. You can leave it right over here, or you can go ahead and finish it off with a waist chain as I have did at this moment. as you guys can see me doing right here. So that's a little bit pretty much of a finished look. I'm sorry I didn't had those modern vest chains, so I just went ahead with this ethnic wear, or you can go ahead with a belt or a modern vest chain. It would give more of a modern look to it. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.